Sometimes it's hard to put love into words, especially when it's for the people who mean everything to us. So today I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful and personalized love card using Canva. Let's go on screen. First, we will open Canva. Here, choose the layout. Now select square from elements. You can reduce the transparency from here. Now add this heart element and set its transparency. You can select elements of your choice for designing your card. Also, you can add a cute teddy in the card. Now we will choose the frames for the photos. Copy it from here and paste onto your card. Also, you can add beautiful messages here. You can also set boundaries for the frames. Now it's almost done. You just have to delete these pics and upload yours. Now you can save and download this card.